Hi everyone, today we're looking at imperial measures. So we've been looking at metric measures over the last few days, but today we're looking at imperial. Now there's some of them that you might not have heard before because they're not as commonly used as the metric measures. So the first one I've got on the board is 1 foot, and that's the same as 12 inches. Now often when people are talking about how tall they will tell you how tall they are in feet and in inches. The next one I've got here is pound, and that's not to be confused with pounds as in money. It's sometimes written down as LB, and a pound is a form of weight, and 1 pound is the same as 16 ounces, which is another weight. Another weight you might be familiar with is stone. A lot of people in the UK weigh themselves in stone, which is the same as 14 pounds. I've written as LBS there. And there's 14 pounds in a stone. The next one I've got on the list is a gallon, which is an amount of a liquid, and that's the same as 8 pints, and that's another form of liquid. You've probably heard of pints being used before as well. The last one I've got here is 1 inch, and this symbol means approximately equal to 2.5 centimetres. You'll notice on your rulers, most of you will have centimetres on one side, and then on the other side will have inches. Now to work out the conversions of these, you basically just need to multiply when needed. So let's have a look. If I wanted to work out how tall someone was in inches, if they were 5 foot, I would need to multiply that by 12. Because there's 12 inches in 1 foot. 5 times 1. So the answer is 60 inches. I can also do the same for the reverse. If I had, for example, let's say 48 inches and I wanted to know how much that was in foot, I would divide. And I would divide it by 12 to find out how much it was in foot. 12s into 4. The answer is 4 foot. The next one I've got pounds and ounces. Again, it's going to be a similar thing. Let's say I wanted to find out how many ounces 5 pounds was. So I'd do 16 times 5. The next one, let's do stone and pounds. Let's do 9 stone. Let's find out how many pounds is in 9 stone. So I'm going to do 14 times 9. 9 times 4. And 9 times 1 is 9. Add the 3 on the end. 126. Let's do pints and gallons. Let's say I've got 24 pints and I want to find out how many gallons it is. I'm going to have to divide by 8 because that's how many pints are equivalent to a gallon. 8's into 2, 8's into 24. So 3 gallons is the same as 24 pints. The last one, remember this is approximately equal to. I'm going to say I've got a 15 centimetre something and I want to find out how much it is in inches. I'm going to divide by 2.5. So it's quite difficult to show division this way, but think about how many 2.5s are in 15. I know that I can do 2.5 times 2 will be 5. I know that there's 3 lots of 5 in 15. So therefore, there must be 6 lots, because 3 times 2 of 2.5 in 16. So the answer will be 6. Hope that helps. It's all about thinking about whether you're multiplying or dividing to find out the right answer. If you use this, I've put it on the Fluency Focus sheet for you to see. Just keep referring back to that, and it's all about that multiplication division. Good luck with the maths, guys.